Did you know that the bald eagle has been a symbol of the United States for nearly 250 years, but was never officially named the national bird? That just changed.
On Christmas Day, President Joe Biden signed a historic bill into law, officially declaring the bald eagle the national bird of the United States.
The bald eagle, scientifically known as Haliaeetus leucocephalus, has been on the U.S. coat of arms since 1782 and featured on the presidential seal for centuries. But it's taken until now for the bird to receive this formal recognition. The bill, passed by Congress and signed by the president, solidifies what Americans have long embraced: the bald eagle as a representation of strength, freedom, and resilience. Minnesota played a key role in this effort. Senator Amy Klobuchar emphasized her state's pride in having the largest bald eagle population in the country.
A heraldic bird, the epitome of the majestic, whether in Alaska or the Dolomites. Eagles are simply the sovereigns of the air.
It's also a story of triumph. Once threatened with extinction, the bald eagle's population has rebounded dramatically since 2009, thanks to conservation efforts and legal protections under the National Emblem Act of 1940. But did you know that not everyone supported the bald eagle as a national symbol? Benjamin Franklin famously called it a bird of ill character and preferred the turkey. Clearly, Congress didn't agree with him then, and they certainly don't now. The bald eagle remains a powerful symbol of the United States, representing freedom, strength, and the indomitable spirit of the American people. What do you think about this official recognition? Does the bald eagle deserve this honor, or would you have chosen another bird? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content, and as always, stay curious.